Last question, how long do these transplanted hairs last? How long does a hair transplant last for? The transplanted hairs.
So the life of hair which will be transplanted in the front actually depends upon the life of hair which is there at the back. So the donor area, वहाँ पर hair जितने साल रहेंगे, same life will be carried out in the front where we transplant the hairs. So the life of hairs will be approximately just equal to the life of hairs which are at the back. So जितना पीछे रहेंगे उतने ही
The
साल आगे
quality
रहेंगे.
also.
Yes.
Provided it has been done in a proper way without.
Of course, without exceeding the safe donor area.
We request you to subscribe to our channel to and keep your notifications on so that you can know more about hair transplant, hair loss, and all such important useful informations. If you want to know how to find out the right center for hair transplant, how to choose your hair transplant clinic or a doctor, please click the video on the right. Thank you very much.